ikintu cyo kugira ngo mwemere ko mwabaho kubera abandi ni icyaha, dukwiye kukigira icyaha. Ntabwo twaremwe n'abantu abo ari bo bose, ntabo. It doesn't matter how powerful you are. It doesn't matter how rich you are. It doesn't matter how willing you were to use it to wrong ends. We, from a small country like Rwanda, we should be able to stand up to that.